today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable LinkedIn logo to your Gmail signature. We'll start inside Gmail. After you sign in, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. Then choose See All Settings to get the full settings page. On the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where all the magic happens. If you already have a signature, you can edit it right here. Maybe you're just refreshing your details or cleaning up the layout. If you don't have one yet, click Create New Signature, give it a clear name you'll recognize later, and start customizing. Keeping things simple and professional works best. Your name, role, company, and contact details. To add your LinkedIn profile with a recognizable logo, first locate a LinkedIn logo you're allowed to use and save it to your computer, or use your own branded icon. Back in the signature editor, click the image icon, choose Upload, and select that image from your device. Once it appears in your signature, click the image and choose the small size so it looks neat and doesn't overpower your text. You can always tweak spacing by adding a space or a line break if needed. Next, make the image clickable. Click the Insert Link icon in the toolbar. You'll paste in your personal LinkedIn profile link so that when someone clicks the logo, it takes them straight to your profile. To grab that link, open LinkedIn, go to your profile page, and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Back in Gmail's link field, paste the URL and confirm. You should now see your LinkedIn logo wrapped with a link to your profile. To keep things looking sharp, aim for a clear PNG of the logo. If it appears pixelated, swap in a higher resolution version and resize down in Gmail rather than stretching a tiny image. Keep the file size reasonable so your emails load quickly. For a polished layout, align the icon with your text and keep colors and fonts consistent with your personal or company brand. You can also add a short label like Connect on LinkedIn right beside the icon if you prefer a helpful text cue. Before you leave this page, double-check that everything looks consistent, fonts, colors, and spacing, so your signature reflects your brand clearly. When you're happy with it, scroll to the bottom and select Save Changes. Gmail will apply your updated signature to future emails, and the LinkedIn logo will open your profile when clicked. That's it, quick, clean, and professional.